Hey everyone, welcome back to ClickFix. Today, I'll show you how to stop auto refresh on Facebook. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Now, find Background App Refresh and tap on it. Scroll down to locate Facebook in the list, then toggle it off. This disables background app refresh for Facebook. Now, open the Facebook app. Tap the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Under the Preferences section, tap on Media. Here, you'll see Autoplay in Feed and Stories. Tap on it and select Never. This turns off autoplay on Facebook. And that's it. You successfully stopped auto refresh and autoplay on Facebook. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to ClickFix for more quick tutorials.